Hello everybody, I'm Billy the Realtor, and today's video is my top 3 reasons why we're not heading to a housing crash. Before we get started, please take time right now and go hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that little notification bell to make sure you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. This really helps out the channel a lot, and I would really appreciate it. Coming up, my 3 reasons why we're not heading to a housing crash. Number 1, today's housing market is nothing like it was in 2008. Since the previous housing bubble, it's become a lot harder to qualify for a mortgage today. Number 2, last time we had an oversupply of homes on the market. This time we have a undersupply of homes on the market. Number 3, leading up to the previous housing crash, a significant percentage of the homeowners cashed out their home's equity. Today, home equity is being handled much more responsibly. If you're concerned about a housing crash, let's connect today so we can discuss why this isn't like last time.